Now, there's a new, simple bulk fill solution for posterior restorations. It's the one you've been waiting for. Filtek Bulk Fill Posterior Restorative from 3M ESPE makes it possible to place one increment up to 5 millimeters. It's the very definition of one and done. Other composites require additional steps or equipment that cost you extra time and money. But Filtek Bulk Fill Posterior Restorative truly simplifies your procedure. By allowing you to place just one increment up to 5 millimeters, posterior restorations are made fast and easy. No time-consuming 2 millimeter layering, no aesthetic capping layer, and no expensive dispensing devices. Just one incredible bulk fill that makes posterior restorations fast and easy without compromising wear resistance and stress relief. Here's the science behind the simplicity. Filtek Bulk Fill Posterior Restorative is formulated with 3M ESPE's true nanofiller technology. Not only does this technology contribute to high strength, excellent handling, and better wear resistance, but it also gives you excellent polish retention. In addition to this true nanofiller technology, Filtek Bulk Fill Posterior Restorative also contains two innovative methacrylate monomers that, in combination, act to lower polymerisation stress without compromising wear. The combination of these two technologies result in an easy-to-use, one-step placement restorative material designed to simplify your posterior restorations. Filtek Bulk Fill Posterior Restorative also has many of the highly desirable properties you've come to expect from the Filtek family of restoratives, like excellent handling and adaptation and easy sculptability without the use of additional expensive dispensing devices. Here's more good news. 3M ESPE has greatly simplified your posterior restoration procedure with a protocol based on Filtek Bulk Fill Posterior Restorative and other innovative 3M ESPE restorative technologies. Filtek Bulk Fill Posterior Restorative. One increment up to 5 millimeters. One fast and easy solution. It's the one you've been waiting for.